Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome extension. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to upload your first extension as a developer into your Google Chrome browser without any stress. Let me show you the step you need to follow. First thing first, you want to make sure you open up your Chrome browser and then come to the top right here. Click on these three dots, then go ahead and make sure you look for extension. Under the extension, go ahead and click on manage extension, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you click on what is new right here, and then it's going to direct you right here. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Chrome Web Store. Under the Chrome Web Store, go ahead and click on Publish in the Chrome extension right here. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Then these are the steps you need to follow in order to upload your first extension in the Chrome browser. After registering your developer account, setting it up and preparing your extension, follow this step article to publish your extension. To upload your items, use the following steps to upload your items. Go to Chrome Developer Dashboard, sign into your developer account, then click the Add a New Item button, then click Choose File, then go ahead and enter your zip file. If your item manifests and zip file are valid, you can edit your item on the next page. And then this is just the preview and the interface of how your items and the upload process will take place in Chrome browser. It's that simple. You can read the frequent notes from the bottom right here, and then you are done. So these are just the demo of how everything should work as far as uploading or add your first extension. If you have not created a developer account before, go ahead and click on register right here and sign up as a developer in Chrome browser. It's that simple. So these are the step-by-step way on how to add or upload your first Chrome extension to Google Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.